YouTube world. This morning we're going to build a platform for the back seat area of my four-door sedan. Join me, shall you? I've removed the back seat out of my four-door sedan. I like to keep my cooler and toolbox and random junk back there, and there's a lot more room if the seat's not in there.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Plus I'll have a little bit of hidden storage for gaskets and carburetors and any extra parts I want to stash under there. Let's get to work and see if we can make something out of this. So this cross member sticks up a little bit higher than this rail for the seat. So I'm going to need to build some kind of stanchion over here for the plywood to sit on flat. Looks like we need about 3 inches to cover this cross member.
What follows is a brief construction montage. We hope you enjoyed this brief construction montage.
Okay, we have all this extra storage under here. We can put a gasket set in here, a car jack, a carburetor, any extra parts that we need in case we break down on the side of the road. I'll keep it all under here. A little bit of storage on the side. There you go. The floor is now flat where the back seat used to be, so I can haul all my junk around and nothing's gonna tip over. What do you think? Would you do something like this to your car, or did you think I ruined it? Let me know down there in the comment section. Until next time, let's keep this history in motion and roll the credits.